Find the equation in general form of the line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 7y minus 10 is equal to 0, and with the same x-intercept as x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Let's find out what the slope of this is first. So we've got 5x minus 7y minus 10 is equal to 0. I'm going to move the y over because it is negative. I like to keep them positive. So add the 7y and add 7y over here. So what you have is 7y is equal to 5x minus 10. Divide that by 7. Divide all of this by 7. Y is equal to 5 over 7x minus 10 over 7. Now it's asking for a perpendicular slope. So for that, we're going to switch this around. The perpendicular slope in this case would be negative 7 over 5. Keep that in mind. We want the same x-intercept as x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now remember, with x-intercepts we have x and then y is going to equal to 0. So wherever we're going to see a y in the second formula, we're going to replace it with a 0. So it's going to be x minus 2 times 0 minus 12 is equal to 0. That means that x minus 12 will be 0. So you add 12 and add 12 on the other side. X is going to equal to 12. So your x-intercept is going to be 12 and 0. Now that we have these two pieces of information, we can figure out what the formula is going to be. So we have y is equal to mx plus b. This is a slope form. We know the slope is going to be y is equal to negative 7 over 5x plus b. And we're going to use this point now. We're going to replace the x with 12 and the y with 0. So you're going to have 0 is equal to negative 7 over 5 times 12 plus b. This is going to be negative 84 over 5 plus b. And we want to isolate b, so you add 84 over 5 and you add 84 over 5 as well. So the slope formula, the slope form is going to be negative 7 over 5x plus 84 over 5. The question asks us to put it in general form. This is in slope form right now. We're going to turn it into general form. So y is equal to negative 7 over 5x plus 84 over 5. A should be positive, so I'm going to add 7 over 5x. We're going to move it all over, and we're going to subtract 84 over 5. We're going to do the same on this side. We're going to add 7 over 5x. We're going to subtract 84 over 5. So what you're left with here is going to be 7 over 5x plus y minus 84 over 5 is equal to 0. Now we don't want fractions, so we're going to multiply everything by the lowest common denominator, which is 5. Multiply this one by 5, this one by 5 as well, and this one by 5. So what you're left with, these cross out, so you got 7x plus 5y minus 84 is equal to 0. This here is your general form.